Hello everyone, my name is Singh, a second year student at SIDTM Pune specializing in systems and finance. Prior to joining SIDTM, I had done my undergraduation in BBA Retail Management. During my undergraduate years, I saw the rapid digitization of the retail industry due to the then ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This made it clear to me that the next step in my education has to be in the digital domain, which made SIDTM the ideal choice, offering the perfect synergy between technological expertise and business management. The meticulously crafted curriculum at SIDTM has been instrumental to my growth, offering practical exposure to various tools and technologies and theoretical knowledge which has helped me gain a holistic view of today's corporate world. Additionally, the student-driven culture at SIDTM helped me hone my team management, problem solving and leadership skills by being part of various clubs, committees and managing events. This well-rounded approach helped me secure my summers at one of India's leading NBFC's firm. I am forever grateful to SIDTM, the faculty and my peers for providing me this platform to grow myself. I wish the upcoming batch the very best. Thank you.